Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, and I'm answering a question submitted by a student. This question's been sitting in the queue for a while, and it's because it's not expressed properly. No, it's it's pretty much impossible to work with it as written, but I thought I would just take a shot at it because this is a very important topic. Has to do with something called a composite function, and you're going to study composite functions in Algebra 2, and you'll study them quite a lot in calculus. So if you're going to be taking calculus, you'll need it there quite a bit. I'm going to write h of x this way, 1 over x plus 8. There should be brackets around the x plus 8 up here, I believe. And then g of x is just x plus 8. So let me introduce a function called f of x, and that's equal to 1 over x. Now, we're going to take f of g of x like that. So this is the composite function. It's also sometimes written in a very aggravating fashion with an open circle f of g with x here. So sometimes you see this really aggravating notation, f of g of x. It's the same as this. So I don't want to get caught up in that, but just in case you see that. All right, so that we start by replacing the g function, the inner function. I'm just going to carry the f, and I'm going to replace g with x plus 8, right? Because that's what g is. G of x is just x plus 8. So the first step of sort of we're peeling the onion, but we're peeling it from the inside out. So we're going to peel away this inner layer. So g of x gets replaced with x plus 8. Now let's take a look at the f. The f rule says whatever you give me, I'm going to put you underneath the 1. So f of 2x squared is just going to be 1 over 2x squared. F of happy face, we could just make up a happy face. F of happy face is just 1 over happy face. Whatever you give me, the f, it's like a machine. It's been programmed. Whatever you put into the machine, what comes out is 1 over whatever you put in. So this is actually just going to be 1 over x plus 8 because you put in x plus 8, out comes 1 over x plus 8. And so now we understand the relationship between h and g and f. We can write that h of x is just f of g of x. That's it. And that's called a composite function. And that's the start of a bunch of things that can be done with composite functions. And your class probably has moved on to those things by now, but I think this explanation will help you figure out what you need to know for Algebra 2. Okay, so that's it for this one. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.